Hey guys, OSKM Pro here, back again with another video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get Windows 11, so make your computer look basically like this. So yeah, Windows 11 was just announced I think a month back, and yeah, I'm just going to be showing you what you will need and how you can get Windows 11 on your computer. Okay, so these are the minimum requirements you need to actually use Windows 11. So you need a 1 GHz processor, everyone has that. You need 4 gigs of RAM at least. You need at least 64 gigs of storage, UEFI boot, secure boot capable, so you need to have secure boot enabled. You need to have a DirectX graphics card. You need a DirectX compatible graphics card. Yeah, you can see all these here, and then you need TPM enabled from your BIOS. So I'm not going to show you how to enable that now, but if you have a laptop that is running Windows 10, all those things should already be enabled for you. So I'm just going to show you how to get Windows 11 right now. If you want to, I'll leave a link to a video in the description showing you how you can enable TPM for your BIOS if you're on a desktop, or if it's saying that your system requirements, you don't meet the system requirements. So let's get right into the actual most important part of the video, getting Windows 11. So what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, and then go to Windows Update, and then once you're in Windows Update, you want to look for Windows Insider Program. So you sign up to that, you do everything it tells you to do, and then once it comes to the part where you have to choose your insider settings, you choose the dev channel. So this is the one that will actually give it to you right now. If you choose the beta channel, you won't get it immediately. You'll get it once the beta release of Windows 11 is out. So if you want to experience Windows 11 right now, you get this dev channel right here. So you click on it, and once you've clicked on it, you go. Sorry, I have some things I have to get the door. So once you've clicked on the dev channel, you now go into where it says search for updates. So you check for updates, you let it run, and you should come up with Windows 11. You let that install, and then once that is finished installing, you then go through the process, and then you should be greeted with the new interface and everything. And yeah, it's a nice it looks nice, everything is good, everything works well. Yeah, but I do have to warn you, I think as I was doing my research, it said that if you get the dev channel, you might have to reinstall Windows 11 once it is fully out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this video was very helpful to you, all that are looking for how to get Windows 11. I'll leave a link to the description on how to enable secure boot and TPM. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.